Let's say that you have zero, nada, no video editing experience. You don't want to use confusing programs or software like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut, LumaFusion for phone or iPad. You just want a simple way to add subtitles, video captions to your IGTV videos or just Instagram videos, stories, ads, whatever. And you just want a beginner-friendly way that you can do it from your phone and get videos like Gary V's ones here.
Okay.
All you need to do is grab two things. First, a really nice drink that I already drank, or a cup of coffee because you're awesome. And second, my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can grab your free copy of in the description down below. This is an OBS tutorial. Just like this video for the YouTube algorithm, it really helps me out, and subscribe if you're new. So there's a bunch of apps that you can download to actually do that, and many of them are free or have a free trial. So let's do it together. We are on the App Store right here. We'll go ahead, click search and type in subtitles or video or something. And we basically have a bunch of options, right? We have this software right here, Add Subtitles, Automatic, My Subtitles, Madlibs, Vimly, Mixed Captions, and so on. If you actually type in caption, we have Caption Pro, right? We have a bunch of options. 10k Premiere captions for your posts, edit posts, meme maker, and so on. Let's say that we decide to go with this one, Video Meme Maker. I already downloaded it, and as I said, I'm going to use a free one. So I'm going to choose a video right here, and we just click here, this one, click choose. It's my wife playing with 3 dogs. It's going to compress the video real quick, and here we can actually go ahead and click on subtitles and write them down like hey, bark, bark, and the other dog says bark, bark, meow, meow. So as you can see here, look, we have the subtitles below, right? And every per second right now there's another, like, give me the stick, bark, bark. This is what the dogs are saying, right? So we're starting with hey, bark, bark, meow, meow, give me the stick, bark, bark, no, I'll have it, meow, meow, or whatever, right? And little by little you can actually subtitle your video for free with this software. But another cool trick that you can actually do is add the title of the video. For example, if you go back, click here, the title should be dogs barking crazy compilation or something, to make the viewer understand from the first second, from the first impression of the video, to understand what the video is about. You can actually change the font to something even worse, like this color, and so on. Then we can go ahead and preview it and save it. It's as simple as that. So this is how you create extremely nice captions on Instagram. And you know what? I'll shout you out so people can see your Instagram videos. All I want from you is to comment your Instagram username down below and what your Instagram account is about, so people have an incentive to actually go ahead and follow you. And here is the shout out winner on this episode. Remember that a video day keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, you should definitely check one of these videos out. Bye.